Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to adjust a Mercedes seat. Start by powering the car or ignition to enable seat motors and safety memory. Move the seat forward and backward using the lower switch, then lift or lower the front and rear of the cushion to fit your legs and knees. Adjust lumbar support and headrest so your spine aligns and visibility is clear for safe, relaxed driving. Begin with the basics. Slide the seat until you can fully press pedals comfortably without locking your knees. Raise the seat if sight lines are obstructed, keeping your hips slightly higher than your knees. Tilt the cushion to support your thighs and avoid pressure points, then set backrest angle so your spine contacts the lumbar area and wrists rest comfortably on the wheel at about a 20 to 25 degree bend. Fine-tune lumbar support by adding small increments until the lower back feels supported but not forced forward. Use the memory buttons to store distinct settings if different drivers use the vehicle, assigning numbers to each profile for quick recall. After saving, always recheck mirrors and steering wheel reach, because even small seat shifts change sight lines, and make one short test drive to ensure long-term comfort and correct adjustments before heading out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.